Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and I'm joined by Tim Dawson, our product specialist from AMX. Tim, you are all set, you need somewhere to go. What are you wearing today?
So this is the Dririder Vortex Adventure 3 Adventure Touring Kit.
Certainly looks like a very impressive piece of kit. Now tell me a little bit about it.
So Dririder is known very much for adding a lot of value, and this one is absolutely jam-packed. The Vortex is made for the Australian environment, a lot of bush landscapes, high on abrasion, high on comfort. There's a 450D polyester with a PU coating, which gives it a little bit of a water resistance. Then in the main impact areas, you've got ballistic armor, so you can see that on the shoulders, the elbows, and even on the knees. You've got a shoulder cup for a bit of extra protection there, and then under that, you've got CE level 2 X-Halo armor.
We know when you're going to be adventure riding, you're probably going to come into extreme heat, extreme cold, and everything in between. Aside from this safety, how comfortable is this?
Look, ventilation was really high on the list of priorities. From the outside looking in, it doesn't look like there's a lot, but actually everything is basically a vent. So if we can pull this one back, this actually tucks back into the side here, and then it zips up. Both sides, you've got a whole bunch of ventilation there. This side here unlocks, and it's got this cool little fidlock clip, which is really easy to use with gloves. So you've got on both sides, you've got a whole bunch of air just coming in here. It's also the same on the thighs. Another cool feature is if I open up the zipper area, I put that gusset back and I've got a nice little vent here. Then on the back, you can see where they zip the packet stick down, and then it actually comes into this back area here, so it's nicely stowed away.
If you were out riding, it's freezing cold, it's pouring with rain, is this going to be okay?
Yeah. So I mentioned before that this has got a PU coating, makes it water resistant. So if you're riding, you hit some water, it's fine. If it gets a little bit heavier, there's actually another layer underneath that, which is also a destination jacket. That layer is a full waterproof layer, so it's got a 15K ingress and breathability rating. You can actually unclip that, put it over the top of your jacket, and then keep riding. Alternatively, if it's just light rain and it starts to come through, it'll stop you from going in. Below that as well is another thermal layer. So that's a 100-gram thermal quilted liner. And another cool thing about that is they all kind of clip together. So you get to your destination, you're wearing that outer layer as a destination jacket. If it's cold, you put that other liner in and you've got a warm destination jacket.
It certainly sounds like there's plenty of options, but just run me through what you mean when you say the inside layer is going on the outside.
It's definitely an odd concept, I get it. So with any fabric, if you're riding and get hit with rain, there's a heavy downpour or even consistent rain, you're going to get that fabric to a saturation point. It's going to get heavy, it's going to get obviously wet. If you get caught in that, you take that outer layer out, and it's got a stretch properties in it. It's got like a four-way stretch, so it goes over the top of the armor, and that 15K ingress protection will keep you dry, keep you breathable. Then once you go through the rain, out of it, you can just take it back off, put it away, and you're comfortable in your ride.
Yeah, there's certainly plenty to this set. You've given us lots of details. Anything else you'd like to add?
Well, there's tons of things on this jacket. Obviously, storage is important when you're going out on adventures. We've got waterproof pockets with the little magnetic zips here, hand warm pockets in the back. You've got a neoprene neck roll, so if you're moving your head around, you're not going to get a bit of a rub there. On the inside, there's a full circumference or even a rear circumference, so you can connect it to your pants. We've even got a neck warmer. So there's tons of this jacket. Come in store and give it a bit of a look.
You've absolutely covered everything. Thank you so much, Tim. If you'd like any more information on the Dririder Adventure Vortex Kit, head to your nearest AMX Superstore. Of course, information is there on the website.